If you're after a nearly new compact SUV without the new car price tag, take a look at this 2025 Ford Escape Active here at Bryan's Car Corner. It's got right around 40,000 miles on it, finished in black with front-wheel drive and an efficient 1.5-liter engine that's rated for 27 city and 34 highway miles per gallon. Ford loaded the Escape safety suite in with lane keeping assist, blind spot sensor, rear cross traffic alert, and a pre-collision warning system with both audible and visual alerts. LED headlights round things out for better visibility at night. This one is priced at $26,424 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $26,723 plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.